Hello, welcome to Sue's Views. This is Sue again, and today I'm going to show you some of my nail products that I enjoy using. They are two nail strengtheners and 4 separate nail colours. If you look at my hands, I am a gardener and I can't really grow my nails to any length that I would like, except with when I use the combination of the 2 nail strengthening products. So you see, look, as you see now, this is the best it gets for me. Too short, 3 long, but then when the gardening season starts, they'll all be down to about that again. So I'll start off with the first product, and this is Mavala, and it's the nail strengthener. It's like a clear water liquid, and I'll apply that to the free nail, which we'll see in a minute. Then the second strengthener I use is Nail Envy Hawaiian Orchid. Now this is more like a nail polish, but it is a nail treatment. The combination of this and this for me works because that strengthens my nail, and if I bash my nails they don't split or crack, so that's for that, and it disappears into the nail bed. Then that is more of a sort of like two coats of nail colour, and that sort of also helps as well. So they've got your strength in the nail that's sunk into, and that on the top. Moving on now to nail colours. This is Dior Glow, a very natural colour, ideal for taking out any sort of yellowness in your nail. The second one is also is an OPI colour, Rosy Futures. It's very soft and subtle, and brides use that a lot. Not that I'm thinking of getting married again. RMK, this used to be called Knebo. That's a nice rosy gold sparkly polish. And then last is an OPI product, Let Me Entertain You, deep cerise pink. If you look shot through with gold, beautiful. So first of all, I'll apply the clear liquid. It's very watery, right to the open edge of your nail, not the whole of the nail. It takes a few minutes to sink in, and then with the longer nails I tend to put it on the free edge as well. And let that dry, and then I'll start on the next products. This is the Hawaiian Orchid nail treatment, again a nail strengthener. So I'll put this on to show you an idea of the colour. It's a pleasant colour. It's sort of almost like a dusky pink really. This is the next lacquer, Christian Dior Nail Glow, ideal for if you're taking any yellow tinges out of your nail. Very natural, it's sort of almost clear but a slight pink hint. This is the next one, OPI Rosy Futures, a bit more colour, very natural, nice for bridal looks. RMK rose gold really. And then the last one is the OPI Let Me Entertain You. So I'll let that dry for a few minutes and then we'll start on the next one. So back to the nail treatment. Again, that's on the first nail ready. So this is the second coat to give you an idea of the depth of colour. Now that's the nail treatment done. Now moving on to the lacquers. Christian Dior Nail Glow, again to take any yellowness out of your nail. Rosy Futures from OPI. If you have any ridged nails, this one fills them in and makes them look really smooth as well. Onto the RMK Rose Gold Sparkle. And then the last nail lacquer is the OPI Let Me Entertain You. So that's all 5 done now. So if you'd like to have a close-up, again, I would say there are two coats on each one now. The first one is the nail treatment, the OPI Nail Envy Hawaiian Orchid. Moving on to Christian Dior Nail Glow. Then the Rosy Futures OPI. Then the Rose Gold one from RMK. And then last of all, the OPI Let Me Entertain You, cerise pink shot through with gold. So that's the end of the review today.